Hi everyone, this is Jason Lacy, your Steamboat Springs City Council President, here with the March 26, 2020 daily update. Just wanted to start off by saying I'm sure everyone has heard, but we have a new stay-at-home order that has been issued by the governor, and that is in effect until April 11th. And County Commissioner Beth Melton is going to discuss some of those details with us, along with some testing information from the county. And I'm going to hand it over to Beth for now, and then I'll follow up with some more city updates.
Thanks, Jason. Today I'd like to start by talking a little bit about the governor's stay-at-home order, which was issued and effective starting this morning. It runs through April 11th unless it's rescinded or modified. And in short, the order says that you need to stay in your home unless you're performing specific necessary activities. You can find more information about exactly what those necessary activities would be on our website or on the state's website. We also understand that there are some ways that this order interacts with our local orders which were issued. So because our order closing lodging is more restrictive than the state order, that applies, and all lodging, short-term rentals, etc. are still prohibited from being open. Second, today I'd like to just talk a little bit about testing. We have lots of questions about that. We did have a few additional cases yesterday, and we are working to put onto our website a dashboard that should be up today or tomorrow, and that will be a source for the most up-to-date information on how many positive tests we have seen in Routt County. With additional test results coming in and the governor's statewide order, the most critical thing is to stay home, practice social distancing, and continue to practice social distancing even when you need to go out for essential activities. The test results will continue to be available to residents, but the emphasis is on that social distancing and following the governor's orders. So we've received several questions regarding our order, the state orders. Any questions that you have, we would like to refer you to the Routt County helpline. There are folks answering the phone from 8 to 5 every day, Monday through Friday, and that is 970-871-8444, and they can get you to the right place to have those questions answered. Thanks so much.
Thank you, Commissioner Melton, for that update. Just wanted to follow up briefly on the stay-at-home order. Obviously, there are several essential businesses, services, and activities that are exempt, and certain aspects of city government fall under that category as well. Just want everyone to know that the city will continue providing essential services like water and sewer, police, fire, and EMS. Our Steamboat Springs Transit will keep running. Streets will be plowed and open, and we're working, several departments are working remotely in some cases, so please feel free to call the city. You can check our website at steamboatsprings.net if you need to check any of the numbers for any certain departments, and people will be happy to help you. In regard to transit, so we are getting a lot of questions about whether that will keep running. Steamboat Springs Transit is considered critical infrastructure, and it will keep operating even under Colorado's stay-at-home order. Many essential workers and other individuals truly rely on that in order to be able to conduct their lives and to go to those essential businesses and services. So we will keep that running. For the past few weeks, the traditional full winter service has been able to maintain transit levels, and while also allowing the social distancing that is required. And SST believes it can continue to meet the transportation needs of the community with a reduced schedule while also meeting those social distancing objectives. So additional schedule changes might take place in the future. Above normal nightly service, Steamboat Springs Transit buses undergo extensive sanitation processes every night. They follow CDC guidelines and Federal Transit Administration guidelines for coronavirus and protection of disease. In addition, we have our paratransit vehicles that are cleaned between customers, and regional and local buses have drivers disinfecting high-touch areas between each loop when they take the bus around. The front seats have been cordoned off to create social distancing. Passengers are being asked to use the rear doors whenever possible. follow the 5 basic steps for safe public interaction, and not use the bus if they're experiencing any symptoms at all. So again, just want to end with a point of positivity to everyone out there who's adhering to our local public health orders and our stay-at-home order from the governor. Thank you. Your efforts are extremely valuable in making sure that it stops the spread of this virus and keeps our community safe. I know it's hard. I know we have people out there taking care of kids at home, trying to do school, trying to do some work when they can and take care of their family. It's a tough time. Thank you for all your efforts. Please don't forget the valuable resources that we have for you to get information. There's COVID19routecounty.com. That's the county website. Also the helpline that Commissioner Melton mentioned, which is 970-871-8444. If you have any questions for the city, if you want us to have something on the show, feel free to send us an email at covid@steamboatsprings.net. That's COVID@steamboatsprings.net. Thank you all for listening. Stay safe, stay home, and stay healthy, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow.